Hello everyone, myself Nancy Singh of Standard 10th P and today I am going to say few lines on the occasion of World Environment Day. World Environment Day is celebrated on 5th June every year all over the world. The main aim of this day is to raise the awareness among the people and protect the environment. Environment Day was first celebrated in 1974 with the theme of Only One Earth. Main theme of World Environment 2021 is ecosystem restoration. Issues like pollution, biodiversity, global warming are the main focus on this day. On this day, many actions and programs are organized to support and protect the environment. Saving our environment is in our hands. We all need to contribute by planting trees, saving trees, plastic uses, and by saving all natural resources. The environment has given us so much, so now it's our duty to keep the environment safe for the next generation. That's all. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning everyone, respected principal sir and all my teachers. Myself Kriti Sureka and I study in Standard 9. So today I am here to speak poetry on the World Environment Day. And I am very thankful to you all for giving me this opportunity to speak on this occasion. It is well said by Stewart Udall that plants to protect air and water, wilderness and wildlife are in fact plants to protect a man. So now, when simple water is quenching all my thirst, it would never be my second love. But first, there is oxygen from plants in every breath I take. We can never hate environment, even by mistake. Food comes from nature, which you post online. Have you ever thanked God when you die? You are in environment and the environment is in you. If you pollute air and water, it will also pollute you. All the gadgets are made by the elements of the environment. Now, what else you want? Start loving environment. Crop growing in the soil with the help of the rain from the sky. Nature gives freely without asking to whom and why. A world will be a beautiful place in every seasons if you love and take care of the environment without any reason. World environment is a more precious than gold and diamond. Take care of it like your beloved without belonging it. So save environment and the environment will save you. Happy World Environment Day to everyone. Thank you.
Hello, good morning. I am Shivani from class 10th B. Our environment is depleting day by day with regard to it. I want to represent something on the occasion of Environment Day. We speak for the lakes and trees and the bird. Make peace and be proud. Choose well every choice. You speak for the lakes and trees and the bird. Make peace and be proud. Choose well every choice. Speak hope, speak loud. You are nature's voice. Speak hope, speak loud. You are nature's voice. Speak with respect now for jungle and streams. Speak with respect now for jungles and streams. You speak for the lakes and trees and the bird. Make peace and be proud. Choose well every choice. Speak loud, speak hope. You are nature's voice. Speak with respect now for jungle and streams. Speak with respect now for jungle and streams. You speak for the lakes and trees and the bird. Make peace and be proud. Choose well every choice. Speak hope and speak loud. You are nature's voice. Speak hope and speak loud. You are nature's voice. Speak for tomorrow, though you are young. Speak for lakes and trees and the bird, make peace and be proud. Choose well every choice.
Good evening to the principal, teachers, and my dear friends. I am Anshika Raj of Standard 10th B. He is saying a speech on World Environment Day. Our environment is one of the most important acceptable to survive on this planet. Moreover, it is the only thing that can make life suitable. Without it, we cannot survive even a single day. For instance, our skin will burn, the lungs will get reparate, our blood pressure would rise. Furthermore, we will not have food and water to survive, and this will also be possible because of the imbalance of heat and atmospheric pressure. Thus, it's important that we should take care of the environment also. Abundance all the explanation that we are causing it. World Environment of 5th June every year. People from more than 100 countries celebrated this day. Furthermore, the World Environment Day is run by the United Nations Environment Programme since the year 1973. Above all, the main purpose of celebrating this day was to spread the awareness. The awareness was about the conservation of our environment. Moreover, to also take various preventive measurements to accept the effects of global warming, since we all know that global warming is the root the cause of the running of our environment. Therefore, it is our duty to protect our environment and support all the explanation that is destroying it, because in the end it is our basic need for our survive nation and our genetic ahead. Thank you